Hello friends, today we are going to the farm, which is an agriculture place. Let's go. And here you can see the soil is very fertile and there is no stone because my grandfather which lives here. Let's pick it up. Let's go there. It's going to be fun and it's a farm. Many plants which are thorny, so we should carefully, and it's very cool, isn't it? It's cool. Let's do something else. And there is a place there. I will tell you everything. There is different flowers. You say it wild flowers and wild plants. They are very thorny, but at the time in summers we used to grow plants, wheat and jawar and soil like this. Let's jump over this shade type thing. Let's jump. Okay, I've jumped it, and there is a big place. I have to cover it all, and it's all nothing actually. This plant is also a wild plant, which I saw. At the time which my father was young, he didn't have electricity here. Now also there is a scarcity of electricity. What did they do? They used to sit in the shadow of this big tree, and my father grew 6 to 7 trees in this farm. And do you even know my father had to study and go to cycle for 600 meters or 500 meters approximately, and then take the bus and go to school. So
yeah. This one is
here's my father.
Yeah.
Here's my father, and a lot of things. I've been walking for a lot of period of time, and there are stones up here. Why are these? They help us actually. So these are very heavy. I took it off from this place is made. Okay, I will take it off. Put it off. Okay. This wasn't a heavy one, and you will see the dunk of a cow like there. Why is this? So why is this cow dung here? Because we use fertilizer, not cow dung, or cows are able to come in and do the poop and then go out. Actually, yes, they were. And what happened was that they didn't use fertilizers. They used cow junks, which were like fertilizers. They used that, and yeah. What do you think this is? This is not seed. Oh, see, this is a kind of fruit. Let's pick it up. Very yummy. It's very yummy. And what is this called? This is called
Zuzubis.
And this is a lot of taste. And they are very big. Hey, stop. Let's pick it up.
उसे इसकी पॉकेट में डाल दे ये देखो.
Now we will put it in a pocket and we will take home. And they are very, very yummy.
उसे इधर देखना.
Here it is lifting here.
This side.
Ah, this one is very, very yummy. It's going to be like. Stop! That is going on the stones.
उसे बोर कर.
Why do you throw stone on my head?
This one is weird.
थोड़ी गर्दी लगी.
ये रहा.
And this is a farm. It's very fertile and it's wow! It's raining! It's raining. It dropped in my head and it rolled off.
ना तो उसे जल्दी दोनों ही पॉकेट कर दे.
ना तो ये
Fuse.
pocket दिन हाँ.
ले जा खुशी दीदी को दो. मेरे इसमें ना बड़ी पॉकेट है.
ना मेरे इकट्ठे कभी.
आप अपने इकट्ठे करो, सब अपने इकट्ठे करो. Everyone's putting in the pocket. And there is a lot of and they're called Susie bees, and in Hindi they are called more. Let's get it. These are very, very yummy. If you don't want to see this, you can pause the video. We are not buying it, we are taking from the tree. So it's going to be great, isn't it? Okay. I will fast forward it. And when I see something else, I will tell you, okay? Let's fast forward it.